Hello everyone, my name is Roshan Sah. I recently completed an internship focused on the MERN stack, which stands for MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js. This experience was incredibly valuable as it provided me with hands-on knowledge and practical skills in full stack web development. During my internship, I worked on several projects, but one of the highlights was developing a fully functional web application from scratch. This involves setting up the backend using Node.js and Express, where I built RESTful APIs to handle various operations. On the front end, I used to React to create a dynamic and responsive user interface. MongoDB was used as the database to manage and store data, ensuring that the application was efficient and scalable. One of the key takeaways from this experience was understanding how the different components of the monostack interact with each other. It gave me a deeper appreciation for the importance of each layer in a full stack application, from the database to the server and the client side. Additionally, I learned the importance of version control, testing, and debugging throughout the development process. Working with a team, but I am working as a solo, I also gain insight into collaboration, code reviews, and agile methodologies. Overall, this internship not only solidified my technical skills but also prepared me for future challenges in web development. I am excited to continue building on this foundation and applying that I have learned in my future projects. Thank you. Now I am going to tell about me. I am Roshan Sah, a computer science and engineering student from Nepal. I am passionate about technology and constantly seek to expand my knowledge in the field. With a strong focus on coding and problem solving, I am determined to excel in my studies. My goal is to make a significant impact in the tech industry and contribute to its growth. Furthermore, I am excited to present to you my journey and experiences in the field of computer science and engineering. To start, let me give you a bit of background about myself. I am currently pursuing a Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering at C.V. Raman Global University in Bhubaneswar, India. My educational journey began in Nepal, where I completed my secondary education examination at Polar Star Second English Boarding School and went to study plus two science at Canvas International College in Kathmandu. Throughout my academic career, I have always been passionate about technology and its potential to solve real-world problems. In this presentation, I will walk you through the key highlights of my experience, particularly focusing on my hands-on work with various projects and technologies. First, I will discuss my academic and professional goals, which have always centered around leveraging my technical skills to contribute to impactful projects. My primary aim is to grow professionally in the IT sector while continuously learning and refining my abilities. Next, I will delve into the specific project I have worked on, such as the online crash course management system, where I have developed a website using HTML, JSP, Servlet, and Apache Tomcat server. This project was instrumental in honing my web development skill. Additionally, I worked on a speech emotion recognition project using deep learning, which predicts emotion from human speech, a task that challenged me to explore advanced concepts like graph LSTM emulator. I also touch on the skills I have developed, including proficiency in Java, Python, Advanced Java, Oracle, and MySQL. These skills have been fundamental in allowing me to take on and succeed in these projects. Furthermore, I will discuss my soft skills such as team collaboration, decision making, and time management, which have been equally important in my development as well a well-rounded engineer. Towards the end of this presentation, I will share some of my personal interests that complement my professional journey, including testing applications, playing games, and exploring creative outlets like music and dancing. These activities not only keep me balanced but also inspire innovative thinking in my work. In conclusion, this presentation will give you a comprehensive look at my educational and professional journey, the skills and knowledge I have gained, and how I have planned to continue growing in the field of computer science and engineering. I hope this will provide you with a clear understanding of who I am and what I am to achieve in the tech industry. Furthermore, look forward to sharing more details with you throughout this presentation. So I will be sharing the insights from internship experience with a focus on monostack development. Let's start a quick review of what I will be covering today, and the following are the content of this project. First, I will provide an overview of my internship, highlighting the key experiences and challenges I encountered. This will set the stage for understanding the practical application of the skills I developed. And the next, I will discuss the goal of the internship, where I will explain the specific objectives I aim to achieve, include in gaining proficiency in full stack development and contributing to real world projects. Following that, we will dive into full stack development, where I will explain that it means to be full stack developer, what it means to be full stack developer, the technology involved, and the importance of mastering both front and back end development. Then we will focus on monostack development. I will walk you through the architectural design of the monostack, detailing how MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js work together to create powerful web applications. And after that, I will present clear working videos of this project I developed during my internship. These videos will showcase the application in action, giving you a concrete understanding of how the non-stack is applied in real-world scenarios. Finally, I will going to conclude by summarizing the takeaways from my internship and reflecting on how this experience has prepared me for future challenges in web development throughout this project. So as you can clearly see, these are the contents which I will be going to discuss today in this video. And let's change the slide. So the overview. Full stack development involves creating an entire web application and is rapidly growing field from the user interface to the server-side logic. It requires a strong understanding of both front-end and back-end technology. A full stack developer is a versatile programmer. They have a broad understanding of various technologies and programming languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Node.js, and MongoDB. We have built our project into this technology that is known as full stack development. Moving towards the next slide, we are going to discuss about goals of internship. The goals of the internship are to provide us with hands-on experience in non-stack technology and to help us develop a strong foundation in development. The second one is throughout the program, we work on a real project that will challenge us and push us to grow as a developer. And moving to our next slide, we will going to discuss what is full stack development. As you can clearly see in this figure, there is a front-end development, back-end development, database, DevOps, and mobile app dev. So full stack development is a broad skill set that encompasses both front-end and back-end development. This means a full stack developer can work on all aspects for a web developer. Moving to the next slide, key skills of full stack developers. Full stack fluency, and second one is full stack adaptability. Understanding both front-end user interface and back-end server logic language, allowing them to build entire applications. Being comfortable learning new programming language and frameworks to keep pace and evolving technologies. Again, moving to the next slide, we are going to discuss about the skills of full stack developers. And now the next slide is introduction to Stack. So there is MongoDB, Express, React.js, and Node.js. So MongoDB is popular for database, Express.js is server-side framework, React.js is front-end library, Node.js is runtime environment. So this is the introduction to Stack Academy, where we have used MongoDB, Express, React.js, and Node.js. So moving forward to the next slide, we are going to discuss about the architecture and design of stack development. The architecture and design of a software application are critical components that determine its success. A well-designed application is easy to use, maintain, and scale. As you can clearly see in the figure, there is a React.js in front-end development, and in back-end development, there is Express Web Framework, which is connected with Mongoose, that is Node.js web server, and at the last, it is connected to the MongoDB, which is database management. By using these three technology, we are using one stack development for building this project, and the database is already told by me is Monstack. So moving to the next slide, we have a Monstack description. So four technologies are used, that is MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js. So what is MongoDB? MongoDB is a popular NoSQL database that stores data in flexible JSON-like documents, making it ideal for scalable and dynamic application. Second one is React.js, that is JavaScript library used to build user interfaces for web application, known for its efficiency and component-based architecture. Third one is Express.js, is a popular Node.js framework that simplifies the creation of web application and APIs, providing a robust foundation for building scalable and efficient backend services. And the last one is Node.js, which is a JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to build a scalable and efficient server-side application using JavaScript. Again, moving to the next slide, we are going to discuss about the internship project. And the internship project is a challenging and exciting opportunity for aspiring developers to gain hands-on experience in full stack development. Over the course of the program, we worked on a real-world project that is full delivery application using cutting-edge technologies such as Monstack, where four technologies are used, as we already know, that is MERN. And again, moving to our next slide, means we are representing our project further. So let's discuss about what this food delivery application basically uses, and the implementation that we are going to discuss are functionalities of this project: display restaurant in home page, searching restaurant. Each restaurant has distinct menu, can log in and create account. Also, there is a forgot password option is available and has a cart which stores items we ordered, and also process to payment using Stripe technology, can view orders. Also, we can see the profile and update it, and using forward password option, we are going to remove our old password also and log in with a new password. So implementing our project, the video is going to show. So implementing a food delivery project is an exciting opportunity to combine technology and convenience to meet the growing demand for quick and reliable meal services. The project involves creating a seamless platform where customers can browse menus, place orders, and track deliveries in real time. The first step is to develop a user-friendly app and website, ensuring an intuitive interface that makes it easy for customers to navigate. Next, we need to establish partnership with local restaurants and deliver. Additionally, in this slide, we are going to discuss about the technologies used in this project, and below are the listed technologies that we have used in this project. First one is MongoDB, a popular NoSQL database that provides high scalability and flexibility. Second one is Node.js, an open source server environment that allows developers to run JavaScript on the server side. Third one is Express, a fast and minimalist web framework for Node.js that simplifies the process of building web applications. And the fourth one is React, a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. And the fifth one is Mailtrap, a website to send mail and receive mail. And the last one is Stripe, to process the payments, and we uses gateway like debit card. We have to put our debit card number or credit card number and CCV number. The project is going to be displayed now. This is our home page. As you can see, there are too many restaurants with their names, and there is a logo. We can search our favorite restaurant. There are total 8 restaurants, and it's also sort by rating. And we can log in through this page, and this is our login page where we can put email and password, and the password not less than 8 character. and there is a forgot password option also. And if you are a new user, you can register. We are getting this by using register page, and you can also choose your avatar, and you can log in through login page. So I am putting my ID here and the password, and you can clearly see that I have already entered my password and I am going to log in. So after login, here you can see on the right side there is my name Roshan, and I have added the item Pani Puri. You can increase or decrease the number of items by using this minus or plus sign. Minus sign decreases the item, plus sign increases the item. So I have already added Pani Puri, and then the second one I have added Dahi Papdi Chaat. So Dahi Papdi Chaat is also added successfully. Here we can see the cart items which I have already added to the cart. And here is the stripe where we can use API and my details are there. There is a shipping address and your PIN code with your mobile number and debit card option and CCV number. So that is processing. So my order is successfully placed. If you can go to the orders, you can clearly show what is your order that is processing, and your order ID is also there, and you have paid the fee for this food, and at last you can see the status that is processing. So this is the project which I have made in this internship during 1 month, and today I am excited to share the details of project that has been both challenging and rewarding. The development of a food delivery management system, and the primary goal of this project was to create a seamless, efficient, and user-friendly platform that connects customers with a variety of restaurants, allowing them to order food from the comfort of their homes with just a few clicks. The project began through research and planning. I studied the existing food delivery platforms, identified their strengths and weaknesses, and gathered feedback from potential users to understand their needs and preferences. This research helped me define the key features that will make our system stand out, and real-time order tracking, secure payment option, and a reliable backend for managing orders and deliveries. The development phase was divided into these several key components, that is front-end development, and the front-end basically focused on creating a clean, responsive user interface that would work so smoothly across different devices. And then this also include designing an easy to navigate menu, implementing a simple ordering process, and ensuring that user could quickly access essential information like restaurant review, delivery, and payment options. And the next one is backend development. The backbone of the system is its backend, which handles order processing, payment integration, and communication between customers, restaurant, and the delivery personnel. I developed a robust system to manage orders efficiently and real-time status in real world and ensure that all transactions were secure. This involved working with database to store user and order information, implementing APIs to connect with third-party services. And the third one is integration with restaurant and delivery services. A critical part of project was establishing a partnership with local restaurants and delivery services. I worked on creating a seamless integration process that allowed restaurants to easily update their menus, manage orders, and track deliveries. And this is the collaboration, which is also essential for ensuring that the platform could offer a wide variety of food options and delivery orders promptly. And the last one is not the last one, but the second last one is security and testing. Security was a major concern throughout the project. I implemented encryption for sensitive data, ensured compliance with industry standards, and conducted extensive testing to identify and fix potential vulnerabilities. Additionally, I performed user testing to gather feedback and make iterative improvements to the system. And the last one is launching. So after the testing and fine-tuning, the system was launched to the public, but my work didn't stop there. I provide ongoing support to address any issue that arise, and I continue to gather feedback to make improvement. Post-launch, I focused on scaling the platform to handle a growing user base, adding new features based on user requests, and ensuring that the system remained reliable and efficient as it expanded. So now I am going to conclude this video, and the conclusion I listed below. And the first conclusion is I had a highly enjoyable and productive internship experience which provided me with a valuable learning curve. The second one is I gain a comprehensive overview of full stack development and mono-stack development through my work on the food delivery application project. The third one and the last one is this internship was a great opportunity for me to learn and grow as a developer. I am grateful for the opportunity to have participated in this program, and I am excited to apply the skills and knowledge I have gained for my future career. And thank you, Webstack Academy, for giving me this internship opportunity. Thank you.